Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open CapCut. Go to New Project. And add 8 photos. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now add animation. Go to Combo and apply wobble effect to all photos. Now apply filter. Go to filter, then slide to retro and apply HK filter. Apply filter to full video. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.